This is an introduction to beeswax modeling. Beeswax modeling goes along very well with a story time, which you can incorporate into a daily or a weekly story time or holiday tradition. It takes a little bit to manipulate it, split it in half, and then the kids will hold it in their hand during the story, which helps to keep from fidgeting and moving around. And during that time, the wax is warming up from the warmth of their hand. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna be making elf shoes, since we read The Elves and the Shoemaker. Here's a pair that is already done. So that's our completed set. There is no right or wrong. It's all an imagination. All right, how are you guys doing? All right, keep going. These will harden up and they become stiff. And so the kids can play with them and kind of use them in an imaginary way. And you could go back and read the story again while the kids are able to play with their shoes that they made. Then when we're done, and we're done with our story, and when we're done with our wax molds, you can reuse them. You just put them back into your hands, warm them up, get them back into a ball, and use it for whatever you like. See how they all take their own little shape. I'm gonna go back through. Then he and his wife went to bed. While they were sleeping, something happened. They tried on the tiny shoes. They too fitted perfectly. And then they tried on the tiny hats. And they fitted perfectly. The shoemaker and his wife never saw the elves again, but they always cherished these reminders that the elves had left behind.